Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to export Google Contacts to PDF. So first, open your web browser and go to Google Contacts. So click this one right here. Then scroll down and look for Contacts. Sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in. So click Contacts and wait for it to load. Now once you're here, select the contact or contacts you want to export. You can click this box right here to select them, or you can select everything. You can click all and all will be selected. So you can see I have 32 contacts right here selected. So you can choose a single contact or multiple contacts by checking the boxes next to their names. After making your selection, click the three dot menu in the top right corner and choose print. So click print. So if you click this R right here, so you can see I've selected 32 contacts and click print again to confirm. So a print preview will appear. So in the printer selection, so choose save as PDF. So go to destination, click this R right here, then click save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF, depending on your computer. So if you choose Microsoft Print to PDF, you can choose color. So here you can choose black and white. You have here layout. You can choose landscape or portrait. So here are your pages and you have more settings down here. So choose where you want to save the file. You can give it a name if you'd like. Then click save. Now once done or once you're ready, click print. So right here, choose a folder and rename the file. Then click save. And that's it. So your selected Google contacts are now exported as a PDF file that you can view, print, or share whenever you need. And that's it. Thank you for watching.